Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the chestnut-cheeked starling. I love that name, but anyways, you need to be level 11 of the bird watching hobby, and also you will find it in any weather, any time of day, in windmill flower fields. So hopefully I find it. It's a little bit difficult to find birds in these areas because of the tall flowers. But let's see if we are able to find it. So this is the next day. I fell asleep, but I finally found it. Also, I have my graphics on low so the flowers aren't here, so it's easier for me to find the bird, take a picture, and voila, the chestnut-cheeked starling. I might get a little bit closer. Hopefully, I don't scare it away. Oh, hello. Actually, I need to take a picture first, so let's do that. For the thumbnail, okay, I need to be really still. Don't fly away, please. Please, bird. Oh, what is wrong with me? Okay, I think that's good enough. There. And yeah, that is where the chestnut-cheeked starling is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. No! I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.